Do you want to do something rewarding like help a child succeed in their education? Maybe you're already a tutor or mentor and are looking for more students to support. Either way, you're in the right place. We work as agents for our tutors and mentors, which means you can use us to support and promote your own personal tutor business. You set your own fees and work when it suits you. We do have a selection process since we pride ourselves on only representing who we believe are the best tutors and mentors in the industry, so this does mean we will need to interview you and obtain references before your profile on our website goes live. Students will then be able to find you and book sessions easily. We do all the marketing, so you don't have to. We also offer online training to support your professional development in this rewarding career. So, if you're passionate about education, you want to make a difference, and you have what it takes to change a student's life for the better, complete your profile today at booksmarttutors.co.uk.